Hi there, students. Peculate. To peculate, a verb. Peculation, the noun, the act. And a peculator, the person who peculates. Okay, to peculate means to embezzle, to misappropriate funds, to steal money by cooking the books, by altering the accounts. And this word is especially used for public money, yeah? Stealing public money by altering the accounts. Okay, notice this word is a formal word, it's a legal word, so be careful where you use it. Public officials are always peculating money from us. This is talking about corruption. Peculation is a serious crime. But, however, peculation of public money is rife in many societies. An accountant is perfectly placed, he's perfectly situated to peculate funds. So how much did this cost? Oh, £1. Well, let's put 50 here. And then he takes the rest of the money. So, to peculate, to fraudulently use somebody else's money, which is in your care, to dishonestly take money that is in your care, to defalcate, to malversate, to embezzle, to peculate, to fiddle the books, to be on the fiddle, to cook the books. Yeah, so to peculate, to embezzle, to take money by changing the numbers and then keeping the difference. Notice there are many forms of corruption. Peculation is just one of them, yeah? But peculation of public money might be an easy way to do it. The accountant had been peculating from the company for years and years. Notice peculation is normally a white-collar crime. This is a crime that is committed by somebody in an office. But be careful with this word. It's an unusual word, it's a rare word, and you will find many native speakers don't know the meaning of peculate. So be careful with it, be careful where you use it. Let's see, to peculate is a regular verb. He peculated millions of pounds from the public infrastructure project. He has peculated for many years, and finally they have caught him. So, how formal is formal? I think I'm going to give this a 9 in formality. I might even give it a 10. You're always asking for 10s in formality. This is an incredibly formal word. Let's see, informally, to fiddle money, to be on the fiddle, to cook the books. Okay, all of those are informal phrases. I think something neutral, to embezzle money, to misappropriate money or misappropriate funds. And then what about the origin? Well, we have the Latin word peculare from peculium, meaning private property. And actually there's a Proto-Indo-European root, pecu, meaning a fee. This is related to pecuniary and things like that. So, to peculate, to take advantage of your position, to change the accountancy and to embezzle, to steal public money by just adding a couple of extra zeros and pocketing the difference. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Peculate, peculation, peculator. But be careful, it's a very formal word.